Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Queen Beliza. This is me Shazia. In today's video, I am sitting here with a full face of makeup. As you can see, only one thing is missing, that is my lipstick. So in today's video, I have come up with top 5 nude lipsticks which are my current favorite. So if you want to know which are the most beautiful lipsticks in the nude category, keep on watching my video. I'll see you in the further video. Bye. So the first shade in this category, which is my current favorite and I die-heartedly love this shade, is the Calabar lipstick, which is in the Hot Latte shade 007 Hot Latte Kiss Proof lip stain. This is a lip stain. This is a very beautiful pinkish mauvey undertone nude. I'm going to swatch the shade onto my hand first and then I'm going to apply and show you. It's a beautiful pinkish mauvey nude, as you can see. It is suitable for all type of skin tones. It suits all Indian skin tones, I would say. So I'm going to apply this and I'm going to show you. So let's apply it on my lips now. It has a very beautiful doe foot applicator. See, it's a very beautiful mauvey pinky undertone lipstick. It suits all skin tones, I would say. I really love this shade and this shade enhances my skin tone really beautifully. If you also like it, let me know in the comments down below. See, it's a very beautiful pinkish mauvey nude. I really like this shade. Let's go further in the second shade. So the next shade, which is the second shade in this nudish category, is the PAC Sweet Sensational lipstick. This is in the shade Go Getter. This is 17 Go Getter shade. I list all the shade in the description box down below, so you need not worry about the shade names and the prices. So I'm going to apply this shade. I'm going to swatch it first on my hand to show you. This is powder matte lipstick, remember that. But it is very comfortable to wear. So here is the swatch. As you can see on my hand, this is very neutral but a little peachy undertone nude. So I'm going to apply this and show it to you. But this is very easy to wear and very light on my lips. Just one swipe and you are good to go. This is very light on my lips and I really love the texture of this lipstick. Trust me, this is the most beautiful formula which you may come across. PAC Sweet Sensational lipstick in the shade Go Getter. This is also the dupe for Smashbox Driver Seat. So if you don't want to buy Driver Seat, you can surely buy this dupe of Driver Seat, which is from PAC. See, this is a very beautiful corally undertone nude, as I would say. I really love this shade. Let's go to the next shade now. So coming to the third shade in this nudish category, this is my best pick ever. This is from the Nykaa Cosmetics. This is Nefertiti 02 Nefertiti. This is very beautiful shade. I'm going to swatch this for you. This is corally undertone nude, I would say. This is very deep coral. This is very beautiful on the skin. I'm going to apply this and show it to you. This is very beautiful shade. Trust me. And this is very smooth on your lips. You don't need to apply 2-3 times to get a even texture and color payoff on your skin. This will be very fresh undertone nude, I would say. This is very beautiful. You can try this shade surely. I would give a 10 on 10 to this shade. This is very beautiful. Trust me. Let's go further to the next shade now. The fourth shade in this category is my current favorite. This is from the Matte Me In Color lipstick. I'm going to tell you the shade number. This is shade 5. I'm going to check this shade if this is available right now, and I'm going to link it in the description box down below for you people. I'm going to swatch this shade here for you. This is also a mauvey corally undertone shade, but very, very beautiful and wearable on the lips. I'm going to apply it on my lips and I'm going to show it to you. This is a drying formula, so if you are applying Matte Me lipsticks, do apply a lip primer or a lip balm before you go on with this lipstick. The color payoff is really beautiful. See, this is one of the hottest nudes, I would say. I always get questions whenever I apply this shade. Everybody keep on asking me which is the shade which you have applied. So here is the answer to all your questions. This is the Matte Me In Color lipstick in the shade 5. I'm going to link it down for you people. This is a bit drying formula. If you see, my lips are going to stick. But if you apply primer or a lip moisturizer or lip balm, this is not going to be as chappy and sticky, but the color payoff and the color is really, really beautiful. The last shade in this category, which is a cult favorite and the most selling lipstick on Nykaa right now, that is a pinkish nude from the Gulabe. This is the Smashbox Duo lipstick which came up in the last Duo collection. This is one of the shades from that range. So if you like to stick to your pinkish nudes, this is the right shade for you and you have come up to the right video. I'm going to swatch this shade for you and I'm going to apply it for you as well. Best formula ever in liquid lipstick and nude lipsticks. See, this is the pinkish nude and this enhances your skin tone really beautifully. I'm going to apply it and show it to you. Very wearable for any occasions. College girls also can go with this look, with this lipstick shade. I would say this is very beautiful. I'm just going to apply it and show it to you. See, this is very beautiful pinkish undertone nude. This is a very beautiful formula to wear on your lips, very wearable and very lightweight. See, you can see for yourself, this is looking so beautiful on my skin. I really, really love this shade from Smashbox. Beautiful shade, Gulabe. I would give this a thumbs up because I really love this shade. You can also try this. It is still available as a duo of Shobita Dhulipaliya on Nykaa right now. So if you don't want to miss the chance, just check out Nykaa right away. See, I really love this shade. What do you think about this shade? Let me know in the comments down below. So you saw I showed you the top 5 picks from my newish collection of lipsticks. From this range, the most beautiful lipstick which is very dear to me is the Smashbox lipstick which I am wearing on my lips right now. It is available on Nykaa right now, so don't miss this chance to buy this lipstick. This is a combo of 2 lipsticks. One is Bows and one is Gulabe. And if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed till now. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.